The one Ezekiel's entire ministry was building toward, and the one that remains stubbornly, uncomfortably unanswered for millions of people today. Ezekiel prophesied for over 20 years. For most of that time, the exiles dismissed him as entertainment. Like one who sings love songs with a beautiful voice and plays well on an instrument, they said, which means great content, zero action. He kept going anyway. His entire ministry was pointing toward one extraordinary promise. I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Not better rules, not stricter religion, not a new building, a new heart. Ezekiel's big question still hits hard. Are you actually chasing God's presence or just keeping the place looking nice? And after all that doom and disaster, Ezekiel flips the script with restoration talk. A new heart, a new spirit, and a valley of dry bones that do not stay dead forever.